Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You're going to witness my first serious crash with my Mavic Mini since I started to fly about a year ago. I'm doing this video because I think it's going to help you in finding your Mavic Mini back if you do crash. So as you can see here, I was doing my first flight actually just to see how I would do this video. I was thinking of maybe flying under the bridge, something I would not risk with my Phantom 4 Pro, but with the Mini maybe I was kind of maybe willing to do that. But as you can see here, getting ready for my flight, I was going to get closer to the bridge, and we can see on the map my location with the red dot, and the red bar indicates where I was going to fly first alongside the bridge. So I kind of forgot that on the right side of the bridge, we see here with the arrow that the shore is not at 90 degrees with the bridge like on the left side. So there are trees there that are coming in the river. So I was not careful. That's my fault. And as you can see here, I'm flying sideways and I'm about to stop, but bang! As you saw, it took a while for the drone to stabilize. I was upset because it was my mistake, but I was also happy, and you will see in a few minutes why I did not land in the water. I would have lost my drone, obviously. So the first thing I did was to go on the DJI app under Find My Drone in the settings, as you see here. And when you tap on this, you get a worldwide map and the location of your drone. That's the first thing I wanted to do to make sure that my drone was being seen and that the GPS was working. So then I proceeded to drive. I got in my car, I should say my SUV. I drove fast back to the, across the bridge to the other side of the river. And then I got to a house. Actually, the map showed one house, but there are two houses side by side. And when I got there, there was an old lady outside reading a book. So fortunately, there was somebody there because I knew I needed access to the backyard. So I went to see her. She had no idea what the drone is, so I had to show her a picture on my phone. And then she agreed to let me to the backyard. So I went to the back, and then I went back to the app and I tapped on ESC or Start ESC beeping. Now I was so nervous, I forgot to take a screenshot of the app. So after doing this, I took my drone outside here in my backyard because I want to show you what you see on the screen. So when you crash, you see here the IMU error. And when you tap on Find My Drone, this will change to ESC beeping. Now, when I got in the backyard, I thought that, gee, I'm in trouble because we were very close to the bridge, and you know how much noise you get from under a bridge when you have trucks and cars going above your head. So I thought I'm not going to hear the beep. So I'm looking at the picture again on my phone, and I'm trying to see where the drone is. And when I got back home, I saw this piece here on the picture. It looks like a roof. If I had seen this at the site, I would have been able to find the drone, faster. But I walked around for a good half hour. I was about to lose faith. And then miracle, there was no traffic on the bridge for at least 10 seconds. Like there must have been synchronization of the two lights, red lights at both ends, but there was no noise. And then guess what? I was able to hear the beep, but it was very faint. So I moved towards the beep, but I thought, or was hoping I was moving towards the beep, and the beep got louder, 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 and within like 20 seconds, I saw what you see now. Look at the location of the drone. I was lucky not to land in the water. And that's probably because the drone had some momentum. I was going at a good speed when I was moving sideways. So my drone hit the branches, which are above the water, but kept going for, as we see here, about 6 feet or 2 meters to land in the grass. Wow, I was happy. So then I went to the front where there was a flat piece of land, and I inspected the drone. I cleaned it. There was a lot of mud on it. I did a IMU and a GPS calibration, and compass calibration, and then I flew my drone, and as you can see, it flew perfectly. So guys, this is what you need to do if you lose your drone. Go to the app and use this Find Your Drone feature in the app, but don't start it too early, because remember, it takes battery power. So if you start too early to do this before you're close to the site, if the batteries run out of power, you will not get the beep at some point and you won't be able to find the drone. So thank you for watching, and I hope this will be helpful to some of you, and see you next time. Goodbye, guys.